In 680 AD, a crucial event unfolded in the city of Medina. Imam Hussein, grandson of Prophet Muhammad, was summoned by Walid, the governor of Medina. Yazid, the newly declared caliph, had demanded allegiance from Imam Hussein. Walid conveyed Yazid's order, hoping to secure the pledge quietly. Imam Hussein listened as Walid relayed Yazid's command. The atmosphere was tense. Yazid's rule was oppressive, and his character deeply flawed. Pledging allegiance would legitimize his tyranny. With unwavering conviction, Imam Hussein responded, he refused to pledge allegiance to a corrupt and unjust ruler. His words echoed with the principles of justice and truth. Walid, understanding the gravity of the situation, hesitated to act forcefully against Imam Hussein. The Imam's refusal was a bold stand against tyranny, setting the stage for a monumental struggle. Imam Hussein left the palace, his decision clear. He chose to stand against Yazid's oppression, even if it meant facing unimaginable hardships.